Alright, everybody. For our next superhero video, it's about to get crazy. It's about to get hype. Why? Because everything is going to be electrifying. DC's The Flash and Black Lightning crossover, version 2.0. Why I say 2.0? Because it only happened just for a little bit. Their meeting only happened just for a little bit. Because it was their meeting for a little bit. So give a little bit. Give a little bit, we tried to. Let me tell you something right now. Ever since The Flash has entered the DC CW universe, we were happy. We were excited. We was ready to go. But then, along came another superhero. This superhero is not only just a superhero, but he's also a family man. Jefferson Pierce. Daughters of Thunder and Lightning. You know what I'm saying? And not only that, they're both family men. I mean, ever since they met in Crisis, I mean, how can I put it where you can understand where I'm coming from with this next part? Please, help me help you understand what I'm about to say next. Because it's not no truth, and it's not no lie. It's me telling you what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying what I'm saying because it's not saying why me saying it, but it's saying what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? My point exactly. I mean, come on now. Crisis was the best event in all of DC live action TV series. I'm not gonna lie. We thought the Avengers Endgame was good. But no, everybody stayed at home that day. They waited till every episode of Crisis had came on, and we made sure we stuck to our seats watching it, and we make sure that every time we watched it we got excited. But Ash Wells, uh he unleashed the Anti-Mind, which he was transformed into some watcher, who then brought Mr. Jefferson Pierce, aka Black Lightning, to their universe. But for what reason, I don't know. Oh, to stop the speed cannon. I mean, this man just said his own creed. Because he thought he was going to die. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. You know what I'm saying? How are you think you're going to die while seeing a creed that you came up with? I mean, these men lost their families, but built new ones. One to a man in the yellow suit known as the Reverse Flash. Another to a metahuman who looks like he still young. But you know what? When they introduce each other, explain their situations to each other, this says crossover. Yes, you heard me. It said crossover. So why didn't this crossover happen? The Flash, Black Lightning, two people who use electrical powers, one for one for running, the other one for fighting golf against evil. I mean, the Flash, the protector of Central City, saved the city 3 times. Yes, you heard me right. I said 3 times. One from a time warp tunnel, a speed force tunnel that appeared in the sky. A second time from an alien invasion, and third time. What was the third time again? I forgot what was the third time. Third time. What was the third time? It's so hard to say. But if I would say that how he was do this crossover, here's my explanation for this crossover. We see Earball Thawne, aka the Reverse Flash, running to the home and city of Black Lightning. I mean, I forgot the name of the city. How did I forget the name of the city? While Black Lightning is fighting against his villain, Dr. Polarius, we see the Reverse Flash knocking him down and teaming up with Dr. Polarius to defeat Black Lightning until, that's right, everybody, the Flash himself, the Scarlet Speedster, comes and helps him out to defeat them both. Only to find out that the Reverse Flash want to use Dr. Polarius to help him build a a source for a new speed ciphering technology so he could build himself enough speed to defeat the Flash. But never gonna happen, everybody. Why? Because when it comes down to heroes teaming up, evil will always be on the rise. And you need heroes to team up so they can defeat those evils and put them back where they belong. I mean, Freeland, oh, that's what their name is. Freeland would have been even more better city if a little bit of help from our friends. That's the, why doesn't this sound so familiar? A little help from our friends was to team up together, like Black Lightning and the Flash. But that's just me saying stuff, you know. I'm your boy Chris Blackthorn Harris. When it comes to me talk about heroes, well, I know what I'm talking about. Cause I make a lot of sense.